Hello, my name is Peter, student from Lincoln Culinary Institute. Today I'm making my signature dish. It is a grilled salmon with a creamy garlic sauce, accompanied with sauteed asparagus and cherry tomatoes. The first step is to make the creamy garlic sauce. It's a very easy sauce to make. It's like a bechamel sauce, one of the modern sauce. All you need is 1 ounce of epi flour, 1 ounce of butter, and 8 ounces of heavy cream, and of course 4 ounces of Parmesan cheese. I already add my Parmesan cheese into already, so all I have to do right now is add a few lemon zest into it to make it tastier. And that's the sauce. Let's put the sauce aside. Now let's talk about the grilled salmon. All you need for the grilled salmon is black pepper, salt, and I already seasoned the salmon. I grilled already, it's on the oven, and I leave it there for 2 minutes. We have to be careful so it doesn't overcook. Now let's talk about the sauteed asparagus and the cherry tomatoes. For the sauteed asparagus and the cherry tomatoes, all we need butter. The asparagus and the tomatoes are already washed and cut already. For the asparagus, we will probably cut the bottom of it because it's not edible or it's hard to chew on. So how you do that, you just pull it like that and press, and that's it. We don't need this part. Let's add the butter into the pan. It's not hot yet, so you have to wait for a second. Now let's add our asparagus first. Then we season them with salt. We're not adding the cherry tomatoes yet because they are too soft. The asparagus are harder, even though we blanched them. We'll saute the asparagus like probably for 1 or 2 minutes until they look nice and tender. Cherry tomatoes. We're gonna add our wet bell pepper, green pepper, now it's a shallot of that. And at the end, we will add our minced garlic. And that's it for the sauteed vegetable. Now we'll take our salmon from the oven and plate our dish. That's our grilled salmon. Don't need this anymore. Okay. This thing, let's work with our garnishes first. And our sauce. salmon. Usually add number instead of even number. Not nice, but